How to fix CapCut no internet problem in iPhone. So let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, then firstly swipe down to your control center, and here you can turn on or off your airplane mode. After turn on or off your airplane mode, then check your internet connection works properly or not. After checking your internet connection, then open your settings and then click on general. Now click on iPhone storage. Now here you can see the option CapCut. Now click on it. First of all, offload your CapCut. Now here you can see the option offload. Now click on offload. After offload your CapCut, then reinstall it. After reinstall, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.